Okay, folks, so these are going to be your essential words, well, some of your essential words for the lesson for today. So we start out with some vocabulary. Like I said before, the function that we're going to study is going to be the quadratic function, and a quadratic function is a function that can be written in the form g of x. Let's see. I wanted to highlight it. Oh, shucks. The color did not change. Give me just a second to fix this. I think looking at that white would be very hard to see. There we go. All right. So a quadratic function is a function that can be written in a form g of x equals a, open parentheses, x minus h squared plus k, where a cannot be 0. Why can't a be 0? Because anything times 0 would wipe that whole function out, okay? So the U-shaped graph of a quadratic is called a parabola. So let's show those words, because I do want you to type those in as well, so you can have that in your memory. Okay, so a parabola makes a U-shaped graph. Then, let's see. Well, a quadratic function makes a U-shaped graph called a parabola. Let me fix my language. Oh, my gravy. It keeps doing that. I don't know why. Okay, so, anywho, there's your 3 very, very important words that I want you to solidify in your brain. Quadratic function makes a U-shaped graph. We call that U-shaped graph a parabola. Get those 3 words in there because we're going to use those a lot. Okay, so when we first started in section 1.2, long time ago, first 6 weeks of school, you graph quadratic functions using tables of values. We plugged in some value for x, got out what we needed for y, and from there we made our graph. So moving forward and into what we're doing today, you can also graph quadratic functions by applying the transformations to the graph of the parent function f of x equals x squared. So your word that goes here is the word transformations. I think after you highlight it, you have to go back in and change the color. Cool, I'm learning. All right, so that is going to be what we're looking at today. So this is just a short video full of your vocabulary, okay? So you want to go ahead on and type those in because those are going to be some essential words for today. All right, go ahead. Let me know if you need any help. Thank you.